guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a review on Fenty Beauty's new Killawatt highlighter palette. So if you guys watched my Sephora beauty haul video that I posted a couple weeks ago on my YouTube channel, I bought this at Sephora. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. Link in the description box below. So as some of you may know, I'm actually a really huge fan of Fenty Beauty products. I'm actually wearing my Fenty Beauty foundation and my primer today. So I'm really excited to test out this highlighter palette. So as you can see, the packaging is quite beautiful and iridescent. And I don't know if you guys felt the same way, but when I had first originally seen like the pictures of this palette, I thought it was gonna be kind of small, but when I actually saw this in the store, I was really shocked because I was like, wow, this packaging is like huge. It's like the size of my face. I mean, I'm shook. I'm really excited to test this out. I'm going to be swatching this on my arms. As you can see, they're bare naked ladies. I'll also be trying the highlighters itself out on myself. I have my regular like face on, as you can see, and I'll be applying the highlighters. So this Fenty Beauty highlighter palette runs for, I believe, $54. So it is a little bit on the expensive side, but as you can tell, it's huge, and I'm sure the quality is just as good as the foundation is. So let's get right to the review. Okay, so to start off with, like I said, this is the packaging, and as you can see, the palette looks a little something like this. So everything is very iridescent, very highlighter-like, and it does come with a mirror like this. Hey y'all, oh, my tongue is blue because I ate a lollipop. Oh, whatever. So because these highlighter colors are quite different, I mean, unless you really wear like blue highlighter, like high five yourself, like that takes guts. This is very similar to like Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild or Aurora or even Jeffree Star. His line of highlighters are insane and it's so amazing. So let's dive into this palette. So what I'm gonna be doing is swatching like a little bit on my finger, and then I'll swatch it on the back of my hand and I'll show you guys. So we're gonna get started with the middle shade, and that one is called Stone Cold. Like the product itself, when you first touch it, it's very soft and creamy and luscious, kind of like a beautiful chocolate mousse cake. Oh my gosh, I love me some cake. So I literally like stuck my finger in it, swooshed it around maybe a little. This is what the color looks like on my finger. It is super vibrant, and I only touched it like just a smidge. And now I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. So this is my hand. Swatch. Wow, you can't even really see it, but this is so pretty. I think this is the color that I wanna wear on my cheeks. So next we're gonna be trying, I guess we can try the white one next. The white one is called Sub-Zero, and for all of my nerds out there who play either like Mortal Kombat or anything like that, like, I see you, you know. So like this, light touch, as you can see, just a light touch, and then swatch. Wow. These colors are so pretty. Like the first color right here is kind of like a rose gold color, And the second one is white, but it has these blue little crystals and it is so cute. So next we're gonna do the purple shade, and this one is called Scandalize. So I'm gonna use my middle finger, like ever so gently touching it, as you guys can see, and then swatching it on the back of my arm. See, this one is kind of like a purpley pinky tone color. So these colors I'm noticing, obviously it's for winter, but the vibes that I'm getting are very sugar plum fairy, if that makes any sense. Like super cute, maybe even like a nutcracker feel. I don't know, I really like it. I love the winter, I'm so excited. So next we're gonna dive into this beautiful like royal blue color. So ever since Fenty Beauty was starting to come out with her makeup line, she came out with her first eyeshadow palette and the second one, and I've been seeing all these like beautiful blues from her, and I've been super excited to have at least one blue thing from her, so I'm really excited to have this now. So taking up my finger, as you can see, it's really soft, and look at how pigmented this color is. So I'm gonna test it out right here. Oh my god, so gorgeous. This one I would definitely use for like an eyeshadow shade, but if I'm feeling bold, I'm feeling bold. So next we're gonna be doing this reddish brown color. Sorry, this blue color was called Chills. So this one is called Honey Slope. And taking my finger, it kind of looks like, oh, it's kind of like a clay, metallic clay color. This one would definitely be super nice for like eyeshadows, or you know what you could do? So, well, first of all, let me swatch this like this. Ugh. So beautiful, so pigmented. What I would do if I was like experimenting, Fenty Beauty has just released these Lip Stunna lip paints. She came out with like this brown color. I would put this color on top of that brown color. I feel like that would be gold. Gold. So next we're gonna be doing, speaking of gold, this gold color right here. I love me some golds. As you can see on the inner parts of my eyes, I always have something gold. So I am going to swatch this. Oh my gosh. Look, so pretty. It kind of matches like the makeup that I'm wearing now. Maybe I'll try that out on my cheeks. It might be a little too warm, but we'll see. Super pigmented. Look at that. Oh my god, I love this. Rihanna, you do you, boo. You do you. Okay, so last but not least, we have this beautiful orange color called Heartburn. Sorry, this color is called Choppin'. Oh no, sorry. This color is called Coppin' Ice, and this color is called Heartburn because I'm literally having heartburn with how sweet these colors are. I am livid. So swatching it on my finger, it's like a peachy orange color. So I'm actually gonna swatch this on my hand because I'm running out of space, but look at that. How cute. I love this. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Like, I knew it was gonna be good. Well, I guess I had like really high expectations anyways, but Fenty definitely met my expectations, and she went above my expectations. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm actually really excited that I finally get to do this video because I was waiting to film before I could actually use this product. I'm gonna test one highlighter out on my face right now to kind of see how it is as a highlighter and to apply it to my cheeks. I'm actually gonna use this, where is it? This purple color right here. I'm gonna use the purple one. I feel like that really matches my skin tone color, even though it kind of doesn't match my makeup right now, but we're gonna just test it out. So I'm gonna be taking this brush, a clean highlighter brush. You know I love using this for my highlighter. And I'm gonna swirl it around a little and apply it to my cheeks. Oh my God, yes. Shine bright like Rihanna. Shine bright like Rihanna. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, I'm here for it. I'm here. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Wow. Okay, so for my final thoughts for this video, I do have to say that this palette is so beautiful and so amazingly pigmented, and the product itself is super creamy and soft and velvety. It's everything good about like a pigment. It's like a blanket, like soft and warm and gorgeous. For the price, it is a little bit more on the expensive side, but like I said, you are definitely getting your money's worth, like 100%. I love this palette. I think it's so gorgeous. So my rating is 9 out of 10, mostly because it's expensive. However, if it was free, it'd be 10 out of 10, but nothing in life is free, except for my love for you and my YouTube videos. Hey. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single Friday, so don't forget to subscribe. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. And by products, I mean the stuff that I use for my gorgeous face today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.